father has always envisioned.
Abdo, how has your view of medicine changed since your first year?
So, my first idea about medicine is that it's just knowledge that we need to learn and apply in the clinical practice. Throughout our actual clinical practice, we got to know that there is much more to learn. We have listening, and we have to understand the patient, we have to show empathy, and we have also to build trust with the patient. And we have to combine that with the knowledge that we know. And together, we create the art of medicine, instead of just the medicine, which is just the knowledge that we know.
Kabilesh, what was the hardest moment during your studies and how did you handle it?
So one of the hardest moments during my studies was during my clinical phase, where we had exams and clinical rotations all at once. So that's when I took help of my friends and professors at bar. So they helped me through it, and that's when I learned that it's not only about surviving the med school but also growing and evolving through it.
Yarin, when did you first feel like a real doctor?
Honestly, it was like an instinct. You don't know until something triggers it. For me, it wasn't like a blue coat or some diagnosing some rare disease. For me, the realization came when my parents, my extended family started to send their lab results and expecting me to interpret. Combined with the patients coming to me, doctor, what does it mean? What should I do? Should I be worried? And they were expecting me give an answer confidently. And somehow I managed it. And I told myself, that's it, you became a real doctor, even if I'm ready or not.
Benzi, how has BAU International University Batumi helped you become who you are today?
BAU has taught me many things. First is to be calm and composed in every situation possible. It also made me independent in my decision making, whether it's my clinical or my academic situations. Also, having a multicultural environment helped me, and it boosts me a lot while interacting with my patients who are from diverse backgrounds and cultures.
Afi, what's one thing you learned during clinical practice that you'll never forget?
One thing I won't forget from clinical practice is how powerful human connection can be. Sometimes just listening to the patient, being there for them, showing empathy means just as much as any treatment plan. It reminded me that being a doctor is not only about medical knowledge, but it's also about being there for the patient in their most vulnerable times.
Madhu, what are you most proud of from your first time in med school?
What I am really proud of it is completing 6 years of my journey as a medical student. It requires a lot of hard work, patience, sacrifices, and emotional strength. I'm truly grateful to my teachers, mentors, parents, and